Hello everyone, this video is regarding the final report of our project for the subject network architecture 1. We are three members of the team. Our project name is Smart Home using the Cisco Packet Tracer. The main theme of our project is in order to incorporate the modern IoT technology in the home using CCNF Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer. Firstly, I want to show my project. So this is our project. Firstly, I've done all the configuration part, that is the router configuration, the ISP router, which is responsible to connect all the devices over the internet, and done the configuration part. Here and updated all the outputs in the report. So this is the router configuration part. I have done all up for all the devices which is connected to the router. And secondly, the DHCP server, which is also called as central office server, which is responsible for giving IP addresses for all the client devices. And I have done the configuration part here, and updated in the report. Similarly, I have done the configuration for the DNS server, and all the router configuration is done. Now I have used the home gateway, which acts as an interface between user smartphone and all the IoT devices in the home. So user can access all the IoT devices through the home gateway only. Here I've created three small applications. One is the living room, IoT device in the living room, and IoT devices in the garage, and used SPC serial board computer in order to make a programmable interface. Firstly, we'll start with the living room. Here in the living room, we have connected few IoT devices like AC, fan, light, and thermostat sensor. We can access this to the smartphone application called IoT monitor. You can see here. So the user can on off the light using this. Similarly, the user can on light, fan, and the thermostat sensor. But what I have done is, here I wrote a condition in the IoT monitor application, that is, whenever the temperature is greater than 2 degrees centigrade, the AC will be automatically in the on stage. When the temperature is less than 2 degrees centigrade, AC will go to the off stage and the fan will be there in the on stage. Right now the temperature is fluctuation in between 2 and 1.9 degrees centigrade. So you can see here, right now the AC is on and the fan is off stage. Right now the fan is on and the AC is off. So it's fluctuating. It takes some time to heat the temperature. And the second application is thermostat. IoT devices in the garage. Here I incorporated a smoke detector sensor, and similarly I wrote a condition here that whenever the temperature is greater than 0.02 degrees, temperature is like smoke detecting carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, temperature is greater than 0.02, garage door and window doors will be open, and when the temperature rises to 0.04, fire sprinkler and the siren will start working. I will show you the output. In order to release the carbon monoxide, you need to press Alt and click. So right now windows are open, then fire sprinkler will start working right now. So the temperature is 0.02 whenever this was open, and whenever this was the smoke detector level is increased to 0.04. Now again by pressing this, it's been in the off stage. Everything going off stage. That for the two applications, and the IoT device in the living room and the IoT devices in the garage, all the outputs are updated in the report, which you can see here. So these are with respect to the conditions as well. This is the IoT report. This is the output for the First application, IoT devices in the living room, that is the thermostat sensor, and how thermostat sensor manipulates the fan and AC with respect to the temperature, and all the outputs are here. Similarly, the output for IoT devices in the garage door and the conditions like smoke detector level, how the windows and garage door and the fire sprinkler works was updated in the report. The third application is the programming on the SPC card for the IoT device. Here the SPC card is used in order to manipulate the IoT devices using a programmable interface, using a programmable environment. Here using SPC board we have created two small applications like motion sensor. First is the motion sensor with respect to motion sensor, and other one is with respect to push button. In the first application, whenever the motion is detected, motion sensor by the motion sensor, webcam starts working and the LCD displays the camera is on, and the respective logic is written in the Python language, which here here the pin mode is nothing but we are assigning to the SPC board what are the inputs are what are the IoT devices are inputs and outputs. Here the motion sensor is connected to the third pin, which acts as an input, and the 4 and 5 are webcam and LCD respectively. Those two are the output. Similarly for the push button and LED, so these are we are showing this is nothing but showing the input and output, and wrote the code that whenever the motion is detected, the webcam need to be in the high, that is nothing but need to be on, and LCD should display the camera is on. Camera is on. I want to show my output here. Here the motion is detected, and the webcam start working, and LCD displays the camera is on, and output is changed from 0 to 1023 with respect to the logic which I wrote. Similarly, whenever we hit the push button, LED will start working. LED will blink, and the LCD shows LED is in the on stage. As you can see here, whenever you click the push button, LED will be on and the LCD will show LED is in the on stage. And the following outputs are updated in the report with respect to the logic as well. So this is our complete architecture of our project. Thank you.